I'm Adam Desrosiers, and I am the owner-operator of Dracut Jewelry Repair and Design. I started almost 15 years ago. My father and uncle have been in the business for many years, so I'm second generation. I've always had an interest in the jewelry business, but when I became serious about learning the craft, I went to North Bennett Street School in Boston. North Bennett is a trade school in the North End. They offer programs such as jewelry making, violin making, piano technology, preservation carpentry. It was a wonderful environment, great experience. The teachers are some of the most talented people you'll ever meet. If you've never heard of North Bennett Street School, definitely look it up, check it out. I decided to open Dracut Jewelry to put some life and creativity back in the business. I want to be able to give my customers exactly what they want. When a client brings in a picture or a drawing or an idea, I want to be able to bring that to life for them. I'm able to take that emotion and feeling and create a tangible piece of jewelry, a wearable piece of art. So I wanted the overall feel of the shop to be comfortable and inviting. I didn't want it to be stuffy and intimidating. This is my home away from home, so it has to be calm and stimulating at the same time. My brother definitely helped me navigate through the color spectrum to create this warm, modern atmosphere. I grew up in Dracut, so I have a strong connection with this town. As a new business owner, I feel like I have an obligation to give back to the community. This business has already afforded me the opportunity to sponsor the Middle Miss Big Heart 5K, which is a local charity. The grand opening was awesome. Seeing the community come out in support of a new local business was just unbelievable. Just knowing that the people in this area take an interest in what I'm doing reinforces the idea that I have a place here. I'd like to thank my family, my friends for all their support, and I'm looking forward to creating new relationships in the years to come. Thank you so much.